In this video, I will show you the AVR function in ETOS. Welcome back to our series of ETOS tutorials. Today, we want to take a look at the automatic voltage regulator function in ETOS. The AVR, or automatic voltage regulator, used to be a standalone device for about 50 years now. But with the constant improvement of ETOS, we were able to include this functionality fully into the system. So today, you can still use a standalone device if you want to, but you definitely don't have to. As the name says, the AVR is used to regulate the voltage automatically. Therefore, if integrated, we already have all the 5 necessary signals we need to carry out the automatic voltage regulation. The measured voltage, the desired voltage value, the bandwidth, the delay time, and the control over the on-load tap changer. Everything is already there in ETOS, and therefore we can easily add that function. The interface is easy to find, and if you are already used to one of our Tapcon products, you will see it is pretty much the same. As usual, let's start at the home screen of ETOS. So you only need to click at the little regulated transformer icon here, and you can immediately see the default AVR page. Now this looks, as I said, pretty much the same as for a Tapcon ISM, for example, or Tapcon 230, just a few things are different. Well, apparently the first thing here says AVR because we're still at the ETOS visualization, but all the rest is, as I said, similar to classic AVR. Now we can check the measured values with just one little click. We can see the control parameters on the shortcut here, desired value, bandwidth settings and the bandwidth value, the delay time, T1, if we want to use a T1 or a T2 time as well, we can determine that in here too. And lastly, the response behavior of the T1 time, so integral or linear. Last point on the short link here is the parallel operation. So we can easily parallel up to 16 transformers with the help of ETOS or Tapcon, with the help of the AVR function, and therefore we have these shortcut menu here where we can determine the most important things for the parallel operation, and as well we're getting the default information that is exchanged on the canvas. So much. This is my default view of the AVR, as I said, and well, what can we find on that page here? In the center part here, we can see the currently measured voltage. Right now my voltage is around 110 kilovolts. That's the calculated high voltage value. We can also display the actually measured low voltage value, so the 100 volts from the measurement transformer. Then a little bit higher, we have these 2 dotted lines which represent the band limits, so the range of my bandwidth, which in that case is calculated in percent from the set point. Then on the right side of the measured value graph, we can see the timer. So it's set to 45 seconds for the T1 timer. And well, if the unit is set to automatic mode, the timer will start to count. The bar will fill in whichever direction it's supposed to tap. On the left side of the screen, we have the transformer name. So here it's ETOS with Peter. And we have the current tap position in blue, number 8, and the next 2 tab positions for raise or lower direction. Also, the currently measured voltage, once again, is displayed here. Then the deviation in percent of the set point. And lastly, the current, including the power factor. That's it. So this is the home screen. The rest of the visualization is identical to ETOS default visualization. Good. So much for the AVR. If you want to learn more, we're happy to welcome you in one of our other videos where we explain more in detail about the functions. So thanks for watching. See you again soon.